Welcome to our next tutorial of Fusion 360. So in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to design a goblet using Revolve feature of Fusion 360. So let's get started. We'll create a new drawing over here. Let's click on create sketch, go to the z-axis quickly. We usually prefer keeping z-axis as the center of the object so that it's the view of the object is convenient to have a look at. So let's just go ahead and create a line first, which will define the height of our object. I am keeping it 150 mm, that is around 6 inches roughly. And once we are done with that, we'll give it some width, like what the upper diameter and the lower diameter of the object should be. So let's keep the upper diameter as 100. Now since we are going to revolve this object around the axis, if I keep here 50, the ultimate diameter is going to be 100. So we have to keep the half of it over here, and for the bottom I'll keep it, say I want 70 in the final item, so I'll just keep it around 35 over here. Now what we'll do is we'll just select a spline and we'll connect the two dots over here. Now once you're done with this, you give the shape of the object that you want. So since we're designing a goblet over here, we'll just make it look like a goblet planter or a goblet glass. Yeah, this looks pretty much like a goblet, very similar to a goblet. So what we'll go ahead and select this spline, click on the offset. So this will be offsetted, so we'll have to put in the thickness that we want that object to be. So I want it to be 2 mm, so I'll select 2 mm over here, and as you can see, there's an offset that is created of 2 mm over here, but this is not a selectable profile yet because it is open from both the sides over here. So let's just go ahead and close the profile so that we can select the profile and revolve it around the axis. Go to the line, select this point and just go and connect it to the next spline. So we have closed one end over here, and now we'll just close the base so that the base stays with the same thickness. So we'll just select it over here, go to the center of the object and close this over here. So now as you can see, we have closed this profile, and this is the shape that is going to be for the final object. So now as we are able to select this profile, it is a closed profile now. Go ahead and finish the sketch, select revolve option. Now there's an option of selecting the profile over here. Select the profile, go ahead and select the axis. The axis has to be the center of the object so that it revolves around 360 degrees. You can do a partial revolution as well if you want, but since we want a closed object, we'll be going ahead with 360 degree. Now once you click on this creates the object that you want to have. Now this is a goblet, so this was the design that we created. It has selected the profile and rotated it around for 360 degrees, and we have a proper body now that can be exported from the Fusion 360, and we can 3D print it. I hope this helps to those who are looking for how to use Revolve feature in Fusion 360, and if there are any questions, concerns related to this particular feature, do let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching guys, see you around soon.